Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Hassan. I scored 1100 marks in intermediate board examination. I got first position in Multan board. I am from KIPS Multan campus. Actually, it is a misconception of our society that only weak students need evening coaching. In fact, every student who wants to achieve something big needs evening coaching where his skills can be polished. And for that, KIPS is the best option. That's why I opted KIPS evening coaching. KIPS helped me a lot to achieve this cosmic success. KIPS test system, experienced faculty and learning environment are those specific advantages that I only received at KIPS which no other academy offers. In my opinion, brilliance is natural to some extent, but it can be polished with proper guideline and direction. And KIPS gave my brilliance the right direction by future counseling and motivational lectures. Actually, there are many, but I would like to mention Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, who made Pakistan the first nuclear power in the Muslim world and made its defense inviolable. He deserves a special gratitude. I would definitely recommend KIPS evening coaching to my friends and younger siblings because of its experienced faculty, unique test system, and individual focus on each and every student. Before joining KIPS, my physics concepts were a bit weak and I used to face difficulty in solving numerical problems. Here the teachers are very cooperative and they helped me a great deal to clarify my concepts and change my weakness into my strength. Surely an institute delivering the society's skillful professionals including doctors, engineers and IT specialists. KIPS preparation series are worth reading because of their standardized material including essay type questions, short questions and MCQs. It also helps the students in their preparation for board examination. The system itself played a vital role in my success. Most importantly, the student care system owns each and every student not only by learning environment but also personality building and development of confidence. No doubt there was a lot of uncertainty during the pandemic, but KIPS helped me to manage my time. I used to watch recorded lectures on KIPS LMS and I used to attempt the test and watch the discussion lectures. During the COVID phase, I was fully awarded with the LMS screen. I continued my preparations through the extraordinary features of this wonderful educational app like recorded lectures, short tests, leaderboard and sport desk.
KIPS Evening Coaching. Journey to Brilliance begins here.